2019 Hyundai Veloster, I don't know how to say it right, but it's the cabin filter I'm doing and the wiper blade. So for the cabin filter, we're going to come in here. It's behind the glove box. You know, open your glove box. There's a little plunger here we got to just pull off like that. Pull it outwards, it'll come off. Now, these little knobs you twist, and then you kind of just pull them out of there like that. You could kind of push the glove box upwards a little bit to give you some slack, and then you could just lower this down. Now here's our access door. We're gonna just squeeze the tabs on the right here, just gently open it and then pull it straight outwards out of the other side. Notice there's an arrow that says airflow down. Also, there's my part number. This is a Hyundai Kia cabin filter. I'll be linking this in the description and the comments, so look for that as well. So pull this out, and then if it has an arrow that says airflow down, you want to put it in that way. Here's my new one. It's just a microguards aftermarket. It also has arrows that point down and say airflow on it, so we're gonna put it in with the arrows pointing down. That's because the airflow on these, it sucks it down. So that's the way how the filter works. Now when you put this access door back in, you want to slide the tab on the left in first, like that. It should go in pretty easy. If not, maybe you got your cabin in the wrong way, and it should just slide over and just kind of clip into place onto the access door housing. This one's kind of giving me issues. If it gives you issues, then take the cabin out and put it back in a different way, as long as that arrow is pointing the right direction. We're gonna get this plunger on right here, and then with it on, you can kind of put these knobs back in. You just kind of put them in, and then you'll rotate them until they lock into place. You'll kind of know. There's only really one way to do it, so you know, don't worry about putting them in the wrong way. You just kind of twist them, and they'll lock into place. Okay, get both of them in here. Sometimes you gotta push the glove box up a little bit to give you room to put them in. And then we'll shut this, and then it should shut fine, and that's it, guys. That's how you do your cabin filter. If the door don't shut correctly, then maybe something's off. Now for the wiper blades, here's my sizes, 16 and 26. Check the description and comments for links. And these are the hook style. Now these ones come with the hook style already. The ones I'll link to will have the hook style already as well. But basically what you want to do is you want to match it up lengthwise first, okay? And then to get these off, you're going to kind of just rotate the blade up like this. There's a little button. You can barely see it, but you're going to push that up like this. Push it up and hold it, and then slide this wiper blade straight back. And then it should slide off. Sometimes they could be stubborn, especially if they've been on there a while, or like the plastic's really brittle on the release button. But you'll get it. And then to put them on, here's the hook. You just put the hook over the opening of this, like this, and then you slide it forward so the hook grabs onto that part, and then you'll slide this down to lock it into place. And that's how you do your wipers. You do both of them the same exact way. So just lift this up, push this release button right there. Sometimes you can push them up, or you squeeze them down. It just kind of depends on the manufacturer of the wiper blade. And then you pull it down off the hook, and then like I said, these ones you open the front of them up and then just put them on. Now if I could do them with one hand, I'm sure you could do them. Just be patient and be very careful not to let that wiper arm go and come down and smack your windshield and crack it. So we'll get this in here like this. Sometimes it could be a little annoying. And then you just slide it forward, it'll lock, and you close this like that. Alright, and that's how you do your fronts. And then the rear, you want to come over here, and what we're going to do is just lift this up. And then what you're going to do is gently just kind of pull this blade backwards from the top, or push the bottom of it outwards, and it'll kind of pop loose like that. And then you just kind of wiggle it out. Just be careful not to break the arm. You don't want to put any pressure on the wiper arm. It's all going to be on the wiper blade. Here's my new one. Lengthwise it's good. And then what you want to do is the little part that has a peg, you want to put the peg in that opening. That's a round opening. You just kind of got to put it near it, and then kind of turn this wiper blade horizontal to kind of push it into there. And once you get it in there, you just snap the bottom in, and it'll lock into place, and then that's it. So hopefully this video helps you out, guys. This new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.